Yes, it's time to eat your spinach. Yes, but we have more. We have lots more. We have. What are these? No, it's not crookneck squash. It isn't those yellow things that look like they have just lost their necks. No, this is a zucchini. That is yellow. And we have our cauliflower. And we have our Brussels sprouts. And all this together makes us a wonderful addition to just heating up some a rice dish of rice curry. And I'm going to add a little bit more veggies here, and we'll have a new small meal. And sometimes it's nice to be eating small meals here and there, especially if you stay either carb or with more of, I'll say starch, because that's what really you have to watch out for, because it needs alkaline and your proteins need acid. And basically, you know what happens when you have neutral? Basically, it gets dumped in the dump, and the workers down there turn it into whatever they can, just like the third world, okay? And there's your politics, and this has been Real Easy Cook. Say bye, Ro.
Goodbye.
Bye.